Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can use HeyGen in the mobiles. You can use their both website and app in mobile. I have downloaded the app, so I'm opening the app to show you how it looks. So here first you have to create an account here. Here you can sign up with your email, or you can use your Google ID or Apple ID for signing in. Here I will choose Google. Here they want you to answer 3 questions that will help them personalize your experience. You can continue or you can skip. Here they are asking for permission about notification. You can turn it on or you can turn it off. So I'm turning off now. So here after that simply click on continue. Now here they want you to create your first avatar. You can do that with yes let's go, or you can do that later. So I will do that later. Now here you can see how the apps looks. Here you have videos and you have this avatar option here. Here in avatar you can create your avatar anytime by clicking on this create avatar option, and then you have to keep your camera access and then you can create avatar of yourself. Here you also have this photo avatar. Now for creating this photo avatar you have to click on this new photo avatar. Now when you will click on this, here you will have 3 options: AI generated avatar or upload photo, or you can also take any photo here and you can upload that. So basically these are 3 options used for creating photo avatar. Here let's go and create a AI generated avatar. For that you have to pick a name for your avatar, so you can pick any nickname. Here you can choose the age you want, a young adult, early middle, or you can also choose a senior here. So I'm just going with a young adult here. Then you have to select here the gender. Here you have 3 options: male, woman, or you can also choose here unspecified if you don't want any specific gender. So I will go with woman. Then here you have to choose ethnicity. You can do that. Here you can choose white, black, Asian American, and Chinese, Middle East, Indian, and all these things. Here let's go with white here. Now here you have to explain the appearance, how it looks. Then here pose, you can choose upper body, full body, or face. So let's go with upper body. So here you have video orientation option where you can choose portrait, a landscape that you can use for YouTube as well, and portrait for Instagram, and also here you have scale. Let's go with portrait here. Now here you have to explain how your avatar looks. Let's be specific about the avatar. A girl with brown hairs, hazel eyes. Here you can be more specific, because the more specific you will be, the better the avatar will turn out. Now here you can see that they are creating a avatar and it will take no longer than 30 seconds. So we have to wait here for some seconds. You can pick your avatar photo. Here you can see how the avatar turn out. Here you can see we have many options. I will go with this one. I like this one. Here you can see many options, and then simply click on save. Here you have 3 options in the bottom: this home page, this plus option where you can, here you also have this option video where you can turn your text or video into AI avatar video. So let's go with that. Here you have to choose the avatar, what type of avatar you want. So here let's go with the photo avatar, the avatar that we have created. Here you can see the avatar. I will choose this avatar that we have created. Here you can also replace the avatar anytime by clicking on this replace avatar option. And after that you have to write here a script. You can also record your voice as well, and you also have this option upload audio from file, where you can upload any audio from file. So I will write a script for this video of. Here you can write as long as you want. Here you can also choose the voice as well. So as she is a female, so I will like to go with a female voice. Here you can see that this was a male voice, so let's go with a female voice. Here you can choose any voice that you want. You have many options. You have this British accent here, this Indian accent here, American accent here, and many more accents. You can choose according to your own avatar, according to your own self. Then simply click on continue. Here you can also choose captions. If you want to do captions, then you have to upgrade to their premium options, and you can also remove the watermark anytime by upgrading to their premium option here. And you can also select here whether you want a scale or portrait one. So let's go with this portrait. Here you can also choose the portrait, scale, or landscape. This landscape is used for YouTube, so you can create video. So they are saying that video will be ready in some few minutes. So let's select here notify me when ready. So they will notify you. For that you have to turn on the notifications. And here let's go to the home page, because when it will be ready they will let us know. Here you can see that they are creating the video for us. Here our video is creating. You can see that it will take some time. So let's talk about their premium option. Here you can see their smarter plan and their creator plan. Let's talk about first this smarter plan. Here you can create up to 15 video per month with this app, and here this feature is only viable on mobile. Here you can see their monthly billing options. Here you can see their monthly prices and the annual prices. Here you can also see how many videos you can make and how many videos you can customize. Similarly, let's go for the creator one. Here in creator you can create as many videos as you want, and this is for both web and mobile, but the smart tool is only for mobile. So that was all about the application. Now you can see that our video has been created, so let's go and see how it turned out. Here you can see our video, so let's play and see how it turned out. Here you can see that now they have also notified us that our video is ready. So here you can see that here we can create up to 1 minute video. So we have just created 5 minutes. You can create up to 1 minute video, and you can write script for 1 minute video. So let's play and see how it turned out.
Hey, so I am the example video how you can your avatar video in HeyGen AI. Avatar video in HeyGen AI.
The eyes part all is good, but the face is more smiley as while talking as well. So maybe that's because the picture we choose is more smiley. So you can see that this time we will create video with the help of voice. Here I will record my voice. Example how you can use this aviator video option in HeyGen. Now here we have created the video with a voice. So here you can see that they are creating the video with the voice. So this is example how you can use this aviator video option in HeyGen. So you have seen here how you can use this audio sample as well for creating video in the HeyGen. So there's no need to record yourself and go through all the long recording process. You can create simply your videos with help of this aviator. You can use your audio as well and also create videos with AI. And that was all about how you can use this HeyGen. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.